If you want to delete or deactivate your Facebook account but can't find the option anymore, watch this before wasting your time searching through settings. Facebook moved these options into the Accounts Center, and a lot of people can't figure out where they are now. So here is exactly how to deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account step by step. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. This will take you to another page where you can see things like friends, memories, settings, and more. Now tap on your profile name at the top. If you have more than one Meta account connected, you will see a small arrow next to your profile. Tap on that arrow. Then choose Go to Accounts Center. Now you're inside the Accounts Center. Here, look for Manage Accounts. Tap on that. You'll now see the Meta accounts connected to this Accounts Center, like Facebook or Instagram. Choose the Facebook account you want to deactivate or delete. After that, you'll see three options. Choose deactivation or deletion. Now, this is the important part. You will have two choices: deactivate account, delete account. If you choose deactivate account, your Facebook profile will be temporarily hidden. Your name and profile photo will disappear from most things you shared, but you can still use Messenger and you can reactivate the account anytime by logging back in. But if you choose delete account, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. That includes your profile, photos, posts, Messenger messages, and everything connected to that account. And once it's deleted, you won't be able to recover it later. So choose the option you want, then tap Continue. Facebook may ask you why you're leaving. Just select any reason you want and tap Continue again. After that, Facebook might try to convince you to stay by showing messages like "We're sorry to see you go" or "Get more out of Facebook." Just keep tapping Continue. Then in the final step, Facebook may ask you to enter your password to confirm the action. Once you confirm it, your account will either be deactivated or scheduled for permanent deletion. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more Facebook, iPhone, and social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.